Hi, welcome to School of Sketching. This is the first episode of our 4-part series that explores the different places artists draw inspiration from. We'll be focusing on what artists see in this episode. For our project today, all you need is a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, and an object in your house to draw. Using these supplies, we are going to create a contour drawing. Contour drawing is a type of drawing where an artist looks closely at an object and draws only the outline of the object without lifting their pen or pencil. In this video, we're going to be drawing a shoe using a pen, but you don't have to draw a shoe. You can draw anything you find interesting around your house. We'll start by outlining the opening of the shoe and then moving on to the main body of the shoe. Notice how my pen never leaves the paper. Even though my lines aren't perfect, you can still see the main shape of the shoe start to take form. Instead of lifting my pen to switch spots on my drawing, I just retrace the lines that I have already made to get to the place I want to draw. Going over the lines I make also allows me to add details like the ridges on the bottom of the shoe. Don't worry if your drawing doesn't look exactly like your object. The whole point of contour drawing is to practice looking at objects closely and improving your observational skills. My drawing may not be perfect, but you can still tell that it is a shoe, and that is good enough. And ta-da! My finished contour drawing. Super quick, and all you need is a pen and a piece of paper. Thanks for watching our first video, and subscribe if you want to see the rest of our series. We would love to see your own contour drawings, so submit pictures of them to this link, and we'll feature them in our upcoming videos. Hope you had fun!